It was a seismic shift which reflected changing times. Intel, a company long synonymous with chips, is to be replaced in the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index with Nvidia from the 8th of November, exactly 25 years and 1 week after it had joined the blue chip index. S&P Dow Jones Indices, which manages the 30 stock benchmark, said the changes were made to ensure a more representative exposure to the semiconductors industry and the materials sector. For Intel, it's been an incredible fall from grace. For decades, it dominated the semiconductor market. It literally set the pace of computers. But the last few years have been a case study in missed opportunities. It failed to ride the artificial intelligence wave, which has taken Nvidia to new heights. Intel is now scrambling to catch up with its AI-focused technologies, such as Gaudi. In 2018, Intel declined an offer to invest in OpenAI, believing generative AI was much far into the future. OpenAI's market cap is now more than 50% higher than Intel's. Intel stubbornly stuck to its x86 architecture for mobile phone chips. This left the floor open for Qualcomm, MediaTek, Huawei, Samsung, AMD and others. Its plans to offer foundry services for other players has also lagged. Intel has lost when customers like Apple transitioned to their own proprietary chipsets, further eroding its market share. The result is that Intel is today a takeover target. It has suspended dividend, announced billions in cost cuts, and said it would lay off 15,000 employees in a nightmare earnings report this summer that accelerated the decline in its stock. Meanwhile, Nvidia is filling up the vacuum. Big tech customers spending big on AI systems cannot get enough of Nvidia's graphics processing units. Nvidia's share has shot up an astonishing 181% this year, taking its market cap to $3.3 trillion. Intel, meanwhile, has suffered with its stock dropping 51% this year, dragging its market cap to just about $100 billion. A comparison of revenues also shows Intel's downfall. Its revenues have fallen 31% from a high of $79 billion in 2021. Nvidia revenues have shot up 116% in the same period, overtaking Intel last year. There are still hopes of a revival for Intel, however. There has been news of a deal with the US Department of Defense and a partnership with Amazon.com. There's also speculation that its investors may explore a merger with Qualcomm, a move which could change the chips market. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.